Good evening. It's 8:20 p.m. Eastern Time. I am checking on the market. Let's see what we got for tonight. The Aussie CAD, it seems like it's rotating. We have 3 long days in a row. I don't like it because the distance between the price and the 20 SMA is too close. So let's see what else we have. Aussie Gen, it looks good. We got a big long candle today, and it seems like this one will keep going up. So let's keep looking. I'm gonna put this on alert just in case, or I might trade it tonight. It all depends on what I find. Aussie New Zealand, seems like it's pushing up, but it's not for me. Too close to the 20 SMA, so I'm passing on this one. Aussie dollar, looks good. 3 days in a row, pushing up. It's been trending down since December the 4th. Small pullback, and then it keeps going downwards. So let's see what happens. Cat Franc, looks good. Again, we had another long candle today. Yes. Let's see what happens. Cat Yen, same situation. Franc Yen, not too good. It looks like a rotation here, but see, the candles are a bit on the low side in terms of volatility. We had a hammer top in here, but still I think I'm gonna pass on that one. Euro Aussie, this one looks really good. Been trending up since probably around here on December 17, and we had a big short candle here. I'm gonna be checking on that one. That one looks very good for me. Here your cat, it looks good, but the other one looks better in my opinion. Your Franc, nope, it's nothing for me here. It looks choppy. Euro Pound, hovering on a 20 SMA. Let's see what happens. I'm passing this one. Euro New Zealand, it's rotating. It looks kind of good. Even though this candle, which formed at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, this is where my market closes. Let's see what happens. Euro dollar, nah, forget it. It's a no man's land in there. Pawn Aussie, excuse me, my internet it's a bit slow tonight. That one looks good too. Pound Cat, looks good too. I like this big short candle. Pound franc. That one looks good. It's been kind of a choppy for like a week, I believe, and now it's kind of hovering or stuck in the 20 SMA. If this candle closes short, I might be interested. Pound New Zealand. It's looking good. New Zealand CAD. Not very good. It's choppy. Kind of stuck in the 20 SMA. So I pass. New Zealand Yen. Very similar to the other yen pairs. Let's see what happens. New Zealand dollar. Not very good, in my opinion. It looks like transitioning or rotating, but I don't like these two candles in there. They're kind of a short for my view. The loonie, the dollar CAD. I won't touch that pair, even though that it seems rotating. I'm gonna pass. I don't like this pair that much. And the yen is a bit tricky. It's kind of similar to the euro dollar, a bit better in my opinion. I'm not a big fan of majors, you know, the euro dollar or the pound dollar. All these pairs, I try to stay away from them. We had a big candle in here, long, and well, I don't think I'm gonna trade it. I'm gonna check them in the morning. I'm looking up to the dollar yen probably, or not this one. The Aussie dollar is alright. I don't think I'm gonna trade that one. I like the Aussie yen so far. And I like the cat franc. I like this candle. I maybe go long in there. Cat yen. I like that one too. I'm gonna put a hold on my trading till tomorrow, around 10 a.m. or 11 Eastern time, to see the development of these candles that are forming tonight. And if I put a trade, I'm gonna announce it on the channel. But for now, I'm gonna stay put. I'm gonna put an alert on this one. And what was the other one that was kind of bouncing off the 20 SMA? I forgot. I think it's the pound franc. Yeah, the pound franc. I'm gonna be checking on this one. I'm gonna have an alert on that one. And let's see what happens. Tomorrow I'm gonna be posting another video, around 11 a.m. Eastern time. I have any trades before that, which I don't think so, but who knows? I'll announce it on the video. Well, that's all for today. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Bye-bye.